In today's video, I'll show you how to turn any image into eye-catching videos that are perfect for Reels, YouTube, or even those epic storytelling videos you love to watch. And this is possible because CapCut just had an amazing update called Media AI. Now, without further ado, it's time to learn. So, I've got three images right here. This one, and this one. And I'm going to turn them into videos. Also, a quick disclaimer. This video might get a bit technical, so stay with me, and if you have questions, just ask them in the comments below. This is the magic tool right here, AI Media. This is what we're going to use to turn our images into videos. The first option says AI image generation basically. Not related to today's video. Second option says AI video, and this is what we actually need. We've got image to video, which is what we need for today's video, and text to video, that is for some other time. Let me now explain a bit of the technicalities now. We've got one image, like the name says, you bring in one image, it becomes a video. Also, multiple images. You bring in two images, or you only have option to just two images, and it compresses both of them into one single video. So you're not having multiple videos, just one. So now let me explain more to you. When it comes to the models, we've got three models. The first one, Video G3.0. I would advise you to go for this one. Reason being, it gives you the longest option. With this one, you can actually generate 10-second videos. Yes. Also, you have things like aspect ratio. This is for Instagram Reel, and it's also for like YouTube. So when it comes to duration, you want long duration, go for this first option, and also it's very fast. But the second and third options, you only have options to like just 5 seconds. As you can see, you cannot get longer than that. Camera control and normal speed, nothing about that. This is all you have. You have no options, basically no options. So now, without further ado, let's create some magic. I'm just gonna bring in the picture of this guy right here. I just brought him in, this guy. Also, let me also bring him on the timeline. So we have him on the timeline, so you can actually see. Now we come back here to AI Media. Guys, you can see something, it says it was optional. You can actually tell AI what you want the video to do. So for this first option, I'm just going to click on generate and do nothing. Also, make sure your settings are correct. I want the first option and 10 seconds. I'm just going to click on generate and nothing. But for the second one, I'm actually going to put in a prompt. So I'm just going to click on generate right now. So guys, we finally got our video. So let me just bring it right here beside it so we can see the difference. And as you can see, it says 10 seconds. So this is the video right here. Let's play. If you don't like the video you got, you can always click on regenerate and you get whatever video you want. Also, one thing, quick disclaimer. If you notice, we have this black space right here. This one, we didn't have a black space, but with this one, we actually have a black space. Whenever you turn images into videos in CapCut, it actually just shrinks the video a bit. So let's play the video and see what we actually have. Okay, slight hand movement, it changed the color. It looks a bit boring. I'm just going to click on regenerate and see what else we have. Like, remember what I said. We did not tell it what we wanted. We just told AI to do whatever. For the next one, I'm actually going to tell it what I want. So I'm just going to click on regenerate again. Okay, so we've got the second result. Also, one thing you need to know. For the first result, it gives us something on the timeline. But for the second result, we have it just here. So this is the first result, as you can see, the one with the purple, and this is the second result. So we have it in this area right here. So if you actually want access to your videos, just click on this dot right here, and just click on download, and you're good. So don't expect whenever you generate a video, it comes on the timeline. No, it doesn't come on the timeline. You just have access to it right here, and you click on download. And the reason for this is because you're actually generating from the same image. So if I bring in a separate image, I'm going to have it on the timeline, but if it's the same image, you just have it up here. So you just click on download and you have it on your local PC or whatever you're working with. So now let's play this and see what we have. Okay, a bit more movement. It's like flexing the muscles, but still boring. I don't care about this one. So now let's get to the interesting part, guys. Now I'm just going to put fighting. Let's just put fighting basically. And now I'm just going to click on regenerate now. The same thing because it's the same source, remember, the same image. So you have to just regenerate it, which means we're going to have one extra thing here. Like I said, it might get a bit technical. If you have questions, just let me know in the comments below. So I'm going to click on regenerate with a new prompt that we have right here. So guys, we've got the results. Now let's see what CapCut gave us. Remember what I said? If you're generating from the same image or the same source, you just have multiple options here. So this was our first result, the second result, and this is the third result. And the difference is the third result actually has a prompt, which is fighting. So let's play it and see what we actually got. Ooh, nice. We actually have him fighting. So yeah, I can actually just decide to make him, okay, you know what? I want him dancing, I want him doing whatever, and it's just gonna generate. So guys, that's basically how that one works. Remember what I said, stick to the first one. The second one, they take a bit longer, and also you're like, it's just 5-second videos. So now, I'm now gonna focus on multiple images. We'll be turning this and this into one single video. And it's very simple. We're gonna come back to AI media, and under AI media, remember AI video. But this time around, we're gonna use multiple images. So for the first one, we'll bring in the first picture, done. Second picture, done. So right now, we're gonna make sure we're picking up the right model. This time around, we only have access to just 2 models. The last one is not available for this one. But remember, we're sticking to the first one because that's the one that actually gives us access to 10-second video clips. And yes, we're good aspect ratio, YouTube, nice. And we're just gonna click on generate. Also, for the first prompt, we're not gonna put in anything. We're just gonna leave it blank, let AI do whatever it wants to do. Then the second one, we actually put in the prompt. So let's just click generate and see what we get. Okay, so guys, we've got our results. Let's see what we've got. I'm gonna play this right now. Okay, you can see the movement. It's standing up. Ooh, this is nice. Okay, that's very good. That's very good. Just to see a new try, I'm going to click on regenerate and see what else it gives us. Then afterwards, I'm actually going to put in the prompt. Okay, so guys, the second video is ready. After this one, we're going to put in the prompt. Let's see what we have. Okay, similar movement. It's kind of similar to the first one though. Okay, I like the transition. I like the transition here. It looks very nice. Okay, so now I'm going to put in my prompt as usual, fighting, and let's see what it actually gives us with the prompt. I'm just going to click on regenerate. Okay, so now we've got our results with fighting. Let's see what we've got. Okay, their hands are moving up now. Oh, I think I like this one better. I like this one better. The transitions, the way the hand came, this is really nice. Whoa, I wasn't even thinking of that. Regenerate again and let's see what we've got finally now. Okay, result is here. Let's play that G. Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, I think I like this one way better. I like this one way better. The transition, guys. Just went back. So guys, this is it basically. Multiple images. This is how you do it. But also, before we leave, let me show you one final thing. If you want to download these videos, you can just basically click on export. One thing you need to know, there are 2 options to this. You can see you have multiple options of the videos you've generated here. Just click on 3 dots and click on download. You can use that way, or just click on export. Then you have to select where you want the watermark to be, because it's going to put this AI watermark, whatever, on it. So this mine is upper right, so you have to choose whatever you want it to go. Also, before you export, remember to scale the images properly so it fits the frame, and just click export. And that's it, guys. Like, this is so amazing. My mind is blown.